This video will teach you how to manage and adjust page breaks in Excel. Moving page breaks. Click the View tab and select Page Break Preview. The view will change to show the pages that will print. You'll see all the page breaks in blue. Solid lines indicate manually added page breaks. Dashed lines indicate page breaks that Excel added automatically. Navigate to your page break. If you haven't inserted a page break, go to the Page Layout tab and click Breaks. Insert page break. You'll then see a thick line that indicates where the page break is. Hover your cursor over the page break. Drag and drop the page break to where you want it. You can drag and drop page breaks horizontally and vertically. Deleting page breaks. Enter Page Break Preview view. Click the Page Layout tab. Click Breaks. Insert page break. Click Breaks. Click Remove Page Break. The page break will be removed. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.